Hi guys, welcome to Scratch for Kids. This is lesson 2. In lesson 1, we learn how to move the cat and the parrot. In lesson 2, we will make a racing game. So let's start. First, we will choose the background. We will go to sports and we will choose this one. Now we will choose a sprite. We'll go to animals and we will choose a dog. We will go to dog's costume and we will delete this costume because we don't need it. So now we will program the dog. When I clicked forever, move 10 steps, we put the next costume in the weight 0.5. 0.5. Now when I click the green flag, the dog moves. Now we will program the cat. When I clicked forever, if key press right arrow, move 10 steps, and we will put the next costume in the weight 0.5. Now I will make a finishing line. I will put the finishing line right here. Now I will program like this. When the dog and the cat touch the finishing line, they will stop. So first I will program the dog. When I clicked forever, if touching sprite 1, stop all, and we will go to looks, say I won. We will take this one and transfer it to the cat. So now the game is ready, so let's test it. Who do you think will win? I think the dog will win. The dog wins. So guys, that was it for this videos. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos by Scratch for Kids and give us a like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.